Let's make chicken and potato soup with a style. The kind of feeling you will get while enjoying this recipe will get you fixing it on your menu every single day. It's so delicious and satisfying, full of vitamins and minerals that promotes good health and weight loss. We start by peeling, cutting and washing our potatoes, boiling them with a little bit of salt. You don't allow the potato to overcook. When it starts boiling, you cook for about 5 minutes and drain. We'll get to that. While that is going on, prepare your vegetables and of course, don't forget the potatoes. You can always check on it while cutting your vegetables. When the potatoes start boiling, give it an extra 5 minutes and drain in a colander. To get a crunchy and fluffy filling from the potatoes, transfer it to a baking rack, spread it out and spray a little bit of oil and grounded pepper on it. Then transfer to a heated oven and bake at 160 degrees for at least 20 minutes or until a little bit golden brown. Finish up with cutting your vegetables and chicken. Wash, peel and cut your carrots. Chop up the onions, cut the chicken, then over to your pot. In a heated pan, add a little bit of vegetable oil or olive oil, then go in with your chopped onions, stir and add a little bit of salt, stir, go in with your chicken, spread it out and go in with your spices, black pepper, seasoning cubes, then mix together and add some dark soy sauce, stir and go in with your carrots, stir up together again and go in with your shrimps. You keep stirring because as you stir, you are spreading the flavor into all the ingredients and a little bit of water and cover the pot to boil. Transfer your baked potatoes into a bowl and check the chicken sauce if it's boiling. Then go in with your chopped bell peppers, stir and cover the pot to boil for at least 5 minutes. Then go in with your baked potatoes. Stir everything together until it's well combined. Then cover up and allow to boil for at least another 5 minutes. Stir up and dish out. Your potato and chicken sauce is ready. Enjoy. If you like our videos, give it a thumbs up, like our page, comment and share. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye.